Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix Warzone 2 your profile was signed out problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. We will do the first solution from within the game. We go into settings. We go into audio. We scroll down. First, we make sure that the voice chat feature is on. Then we scroll down again. We set the game voice channel to be all lobby or party only. Here, friends only or friends and channels must not be selected. This was our first solution, which was simple. For the second solution, we come over game. We click on the 3-line keys. Click on Manage Game and Add-ons. We enter the saved data. First, we click on our profile and click on Delete from console. Then we click on Reserved Space. And click on Clear Reserved Space. Don't worry, only the settings we saved have been reset. When we enter the game, our account information will be loaded again. This was our second solution. Many users on Reddit have solved the error with this method. If these two solutions do not work, there is another solution you can do. Our third solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. For this type of game, deleting and reinstalling the game usually solves the error. You already know how to delete the game. We come over the game and click on the 3 dots. And click on Uninstall in the pop-up menu. After deleting the game, you can reinstall it and check if the error is resolved. We have come to the end of the video. I hope these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.